All right, what's happening, guys? Winston here with MoveUp, talking about the top 8 things to not do for employee retention. So we're going to invert this a little bit. We're not just going to talk about the things you want to do. We're going to talk about the things to stay far, far away from. So let's jump right in. Top 8 things not to do for employee retention. Number 1 is going to be criticizing an employee in public, okay? Public meaning the group, the team. And so you don't want to do this. This is going to wreck morale. This is going to make them feel like you've ostracized them, you've disrespected their character and who they are as a person, and you're basically belittling the human. Do not do this. Praise in public, criticize in private. So do not criticize in public. 2 is breaking promises around money or advancement. 1, you have to be super careful about making a promise. I almost never make too many promises in those realms around money and promotion or advancement. So big no-go is breaking the promise. So if you make that promise, you better stick to it. Otherwise, you have broken trust. You've broken the loyalty. All right. 3 is gossip about coworkers, okay? If you want to just have every single person who ever works for you leave, then just talk bad about the other coworkers around them, and what's going to happen is they're going to be thinking, well, if they're talking crap about so-and-so, what are they saying about me when I'm not around? No-go zone is gossip or poor language around other coworkers, basically just spreading rumors or spreading negative, right? All right, 4 is leaving little to no money in the business for reinvestment. So if you want people to constantly be turning over, then, if you don't put any money back in the business, then you're probably never gonna have that much growth. And growing at like 5% or 10%, it's growth, but it's usually not enough growth to actually have people get major significant raises or major promotions and advancements. So if you want to have a business that's just mediocre and standard, then invest no money back in your business, take all the owner draws you possibly can, and see where it gets you. One of the things I would not do is pull all the money out of the business. 5 is do not humiliate and discourage your people. Again, this goes into the respect category, and it's the number 1 reason why people leave jobs is because they don't feel valued and respected. And so the things that we want to be hyper-focused on as a business leader is how we interact and make the team members feel, right? And so if you're making them feel humiliated, if you make them feel down or making them feel stupid, never make someone feel stupid, okay? There's discipline and consequences, and then there's humiliation and making someone feel stupid. Don't cross that line, okay? 6, do not share inappropriate information with people that work within your company. What is inappropriate information? I don't need to detail that. If it feels like something that doesn't belong in the workplace, don't even get near it, okay? If you're sitting there, if you're a male and you're talking to another male that works within your company, don't be talking about how some girl looks, okay? Especially if you're committed to someone, that would be terrible. Don't talk about, somebody else's drama or their low points in their life. If somebody confides in you something that's confidential, don't then go share that with someone else within the company, okay? Confidentiality is really, really important. So don't share inappropriate things. Sometimes, especially with moving, inappropriate jokes. I worked at a moving company as a sales manager. I know that out in the operations field, a lot of times stuff would get joked around, but then all it takes is for one person to take it to heart and personally, and now it's an issue. So you're better to just leave that out, okay? Don't be that business that says, oh, we were just joking, or we've always been like this, or that's our culture. No. That's bad. That's bad culture. That's bad culture, okay? Number 7, don't micromanage and look over people's shoulders. Now, this is sometimes a super hard one, especially for the owner-operator type business leader. You're constantly kind of cleaning up a mess, But one of the keys for employee retention is letting people feel independent and allowing people to figure things out and have their own ideas. And so if you're constantly looking over their shoulder, you're basically babysitting. And I can tell you, if you try to babysit me, I ain't gonna work for you, because I don't want to be treated that way. I want to be treated as an equal, and I want to be treated with respect, and you looking over and critiquing every little thing I do does not fall into that category, okay? And the last one is, and these are not in particular order, but they're all super important, is don't guilt trip people for taking time off. Okay, don't guilt trip people into taking personal time. If someone needs 2 days off and like they just need a break, don't make them feel bad for taking time off. Now there's a difference, right? If you have someone that, they've worked only 2 days in the last 2 weeks, that's different. So use some business sense, okay? Business sense, not common sense, business sense. And think through, is this appropriate or not? Is this a full-time employee? How many hours have they been working over the last 2, 3, 4 weeks? Are you seeing signs of burnout? If they need to take a couple days, don't minimize their work ethic because they needed to take a couple days to rejuvenate, reset, and refocus. Okay, that's stupid. All right. So if you want to increase your employee retention, make sure you're not doing these 8 things. Hyper focus on things that will elevate your team, raise morale, and that's where you'll find major ROI inside of your business. All right, we'll see you guys next week on our next video. Peace.